Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video we will reveal to you how you can make your photos and images transparent inside your PowerPoint presentation. It is very simple guys, so let us dive right into it without any further ado. So browse through your presentation slides and select the photo you would like to edit. So let me go, for example, let's say with that one here, with that photo here to the right in that circle. So what you want to do guys is select a given photo with your left mouse, and after that right click on it, and from the drop down menu simply select format picture here at the bottom. After that, this panel here on the right hand side will pop up. So here you may switch from effects to the picture settings here to the right, and simply expand the picture transparency, and here adjust your preferred transparency by moving that slider to the right. So if I set the transparency, let's say for example to 50 or around 50%, it will look like that. So you may make it, for example, I don't know, almost 100% transparent, and the image will basically disappear. So that's how you make your photos and images in PowerPoint transparent. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.